When it comes to smart devices for your home, most people start with the doorbell. It's the first point of contact for any guest, or let's be honest, for most delivery drivers too. Upgrading your standard doorbell to a smart camera doorbell like Ring, Arlo, or Wyze not only lets you see who's at your door, but adds a layer of peace of mind that old wired doorbells just can't match. Now, there are a ton of these things on the market today, but I want to focus on three that I've personally had experience with: Ring, Arlo, and Wyze, and talk about which one I think stands out the most overall. If you end up needing installation help for any of these, I'd be thrilled to help you out. You can schedule an appointment directly through Renewable Innovations by visiting reinnovations.org. I charge $149 for installation and configuration for most smart home devices, and it's a great way to get everything set up properly and synced to your system. Let's start with the most recognized name in the game, Ring. Ring practically put the video doorbell market on the map. They've been around long enough that most homeowners have at least seen one, and for good reason. They're easy to install, they work reliably, and they integrate perfectly with Amazon Alexa and Echo devices. Ring offers several versions: the Ring Doorbell, Doorbell Plus, and Doorbell Pro. All three record in HD, with the Pro offering the best resolution at 1536p, and includes motion detection, customizable motion zones, and two-way talk. One of the biggest benefits of Ring is its flexibility. Whether you rent, own, or live in a condo, Ring's battery-powered models can mount almost anywhere. And most of them also support hardwiring. That means you can tie it into your existing chime or keep it wireless and rely on the built-in battery. Now, the trade-off is cloud storage. Ring doesn't offer local SD card recording. Everything is saved to the cloud, so you'll need a subscription to review footage. Their basic plan costs about $5 a month or $50 a year, which covers video history, notifications, and features like people detection. If you're already using Alexa devices or you want something that just works right out of the box, Ring is a safe and familiar choice. The video quality is solid, setup is beginner friendly, and customer support is decent. It's no wonder Ring has become the go-to for so many homeowners. Next up, let's talk about Arlo. This is the doorbell camera I actually used on my own home a few years back when I lived in Bear Creek. And honestly, the main reason I went with it was Apple HomeKit integration. With Ring, it doesn't exist. If you're in the Apple ecosystem, using HomePods, Apple TV, or automations through the Home app, Arlo fits right in. The model I used was the Arlo Video Doorbell 2K, which captures crisp 2K HDR video, giving you noticeably more detail than Ring's standard HD. It also has a 180-degree field of view, one of the widest you'll find, meaning you can see everything from head to toe at your doorstep, even packages sitting on the ground. Now, just like Ring, you can choose between battery-powered or hardwired versions, but here's the downside: Arlo's battery isn't removable. So if you go the battery-powered route, you'll need to take the whole unit off the wall when it's time to recharge. It's not ideal, which is why I recommend going the hardwired route if possible. Where Arlo really shines is in the storage options. Unlike Ring, Arlo gives you the ability to record locally using their Smart Hub. That means you can skip the subscription altogether and still keep your recordings stored safely at home. Their subscription plan, if you want extra features or cloud backup, runs $8 a month or $80 a year per device. A bit pricier than Ring, but again, With the Smart Hub, you can go without it. Arlo also includes two-way audio and motion alerts without needing the subscription, something Ring locks behind its plan. So for users who want more privacy-friendly setup, or if you're someone who prefers to own your data, Arlo makes a strong case here. Overall, Arlo feels like the more premium experience, better video, better privacy, and integration with both Apple and Google ecosystems. If you're serious about image quality or you already use Apple HomeKit, this is one that's hard to beat, really it is. Now, let's move on to the Wyze wired doorbell camera. Wyze is one of those brands that came out of nowhere and completely changed expectations for what an affordable smart device could be. I've used their indoor cameras for monitoring my pug Patrick, and for under $60, the performance is impressive. The Wyze doorbell camera delivers 2K resolution, so it's right on par with Arlo in terms of clarity. But really, what sets it apart is the color night vision. Most night vision cameras show grainy black and white footage. Wyze captures vibrant, detailed color even in low light conditions, which is a game changer if you want usable video at night. And unlike the competition, Wyze includes a micro SD card slot for local storage. That means you can record and review your footage right from the app without ever needing a cloud subscription or an external hub. If you do want cloud storage, Wyze plan is the most affordable at $3 a month or $30 a year for one device, and that covers event history, alerts, and AI detection. It's worth noting that the Wyze doorbell is hardwired only, so it's best suited for homeowners rather than renters. But if you can hardwire it, it's one of the best budget-friendly options on the market today. The app is simple, setup is quick, and it even ties into Google Assistant and Alexa for voice notifications. It's not as refined as Ring or Arlo, but for a fraction of the price, it does about 90% of what they do and sometimes better. So when it comes to choosing the right smart doorbell, it really depends on your priorities. If you want the easiest setup, broadest ecosystem, great support, Ring is your best bet. If you're after higher resolution, better privacy controls, and Apple HomeKit compatibility, go with Arlo. If you just want a reliable, wired, budget-friendly option that doesn't force you into a subscription, Wyze is the clear winner here. Each of these brands also offers full lines of security cameras and accessories, so whichever you start with, you can easily expand into a complete home security setup later. Personally, I think Arlo strikes the best balance between functionality, image quality, and privacy, but for value alone, Wyze gives you an incredible amount of tech for the price. I'll drop some Amazon affiliate links in the description below. Using those links helps support the channel, and in many cases, you'll find discounts or bundles around the holidays when this video's out. And if you like professional installation or setup for any smart home devices, from doorbells to lighting, thermostats, or cameras, you can schedule that directly through Renewable Innovations at reinnovations.org. Yeah, the link's down in the description below. I'm not just here to make your house greener. I'm here to make it smarter, safer, and more connected. Don't forget to like when you're down there, subscribe, and share if you found this video helpful. I'm Dale with Renewable Innovations, and I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.